Hi, everyone. I'm Dr. John Dehlin of Mormon Stories Podcast. Recently, I had the sincere pleasure of inviting Dr. Stephen Hassan, a world-renowned cult expert, to Utah to do an all-day workshop on recovering from Mormonism and or high-demand religions or cults. We covered so many important topics, including how to leave a high-demand religion and or cult, how to communicate with believing family and friends that remain in the high-demand religion or cult, and how to educate others about the tactics of high-demand religions or cults. We had a full audience there. They even participate in the video and in the recording with their consent. It's a fantastic day. We think it will really help you and loved ones understand cults and high-demand religions better, and Mormonism in particular. I particularly have spent over 20 years supporting Mormons coming out of Orthodox faith and or leaving the church and communicating with their believing family and friends, navigating marriages, navigating relationships. That's what Mormon Stories Podcast is all about. And again, it was an honor to do this one-day event with Dr. Stephen Hassan. So please check it out. Hope you enjoy it. Take care, everybody.